What's up, guys? It's your boy No Chill Chad checking in, and today we've got a new unboxing for not the car but for the GMC. So of course, you know, I got my Tow Pig and you know I got my Weekend Warrior, but I'm always doing a little some small things to my truck, just small piece by piece. I've just been kind of on the fence. You know, I love my truck, but I just need to give it a little more pizzazz, the same kind of reaction that you guys get when you see my car. But today we have a little surprise from the good guys over at Boost Auto Parts. So we're gonna go ahead and just do a little unboxing, and should be a pretty simple, easy install. So here we go. So of course, like I said, I've got my GMC Sierra. This is my Tow Pig, my tow rig, and it's super comfy. I love it. But everything, you know, today has to be LED. Everything's got to shine bright. So I have my Boost Auto tow mirrors, and when I tell you, those things work perfectly. When I'm towing, it just makes it so much easier to be able to just see my car on the trailer when I'm going around turns, able to see cars coming up on the outside of me. So that right there was just superb. Definitely needed that. Shout out to Boost Auto Parts, and they sent me some new goodies that they just launched. So let's check it out. Perfect. Well, got a new hat. Y'all know I love hats, so oh yeah, feels good. It feels like a dry fit neoprene. Oh yeah, this hat is definitely where it's at. So make sure y'all get their merch, because this hat is super comfy. This is gonna be one of my favorite hats. So when y'all see a lot of my videos and y'all see me wearing this hat, just know it's because this thing feels glorious. If y'all could just see it, like, this thing feels great. So what we have here is the Boost Auto license plate lights. Small box, big power. So of course, you know, you have your tag lights here. Got your tag lights here. They're yellow. Everything on the truck is like, my reverse lights LED, the Boost Auto tow mirrors are LED, my headlights are LED, my brake light is LED on the roof of the truck. But these lights right here are yellow. So one, they're just not as bright, and you know, they kind of dim down the look of the truck. So they just launched these. I think they're set about 50 times brighter, but should be a pretty simple, easy install. They got a QR code that you can scan for just step by step. Let's go and just open this box up. So first impression, I mean, it's very clean. Has the Boost Auto Parts logo on it. You can see the LED, that clear lens, just the clarity of the lens is gonna look better. Looks like we just have one little screw. We have positive, negative polarity, so probably got to make sure that I put it in the correct way. But small, simple, and I'm gonna show you before. So we'll get a video of my before I install these, and then we'll see what the difference is after. All right, stay tuned. Should be a pretty easy install. All you need is a ratchet, a 7mm socket, and there should just be 2 screws up under the truck. So you have to get up under the truck. Ooh, let's see. As you can see, there's a little screw right here, and once you unscrew it, it should kind of come on out. So right behind the bumper, if you got a hitch, you don't have as much room, but it's right there. So we'll see how this goes. We had to go get my headlight so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So get that 7mm up in there. So it was easier for me to bring out the power tools and just get the screw out. I was trying to use the hand tool because it was, you know, a small little screw, but it's really kind of the angle and the space. It's hard to get up in there. So, and then to give it more room, you got this little tie down. So I'm gonna try to get my puller in there to give me some more room. So yeah, to give yourself some more room, you're gonna have to disconnect the little plastic piece right here just to give yourself some more room. So yeah, so now you can actually pull it and boom, disconnect the bulb there and take the bulb out. I'm gonna show you all the difference. So that's the OEM and versus the Boost. Went in and turned on the truck so I could know which one was the positive, which one was the negative polarity. So let's see. Oh, yeah, that's definitely bright. So once you know which one is the positive and negative, we're just gonna put this back in here, twist it, and reverse the install. And I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Here's the old, and here is the new. Jesus. The old one just doesn't even, it don't even seem like the old one worked. Definitely bright. Way better than the stock OEM ones. I'm not gonna lie though. This right side whooped my ass. It's a lot less room on this side. So even though I had my extension, like 3 small little connectors, it just would not angle. So if you have a socket with like a little angle on it, that would probably help you the best on the right side. The left was pretty simple and easy, but not gonna lie, the right side whooped me. Easy, but it was just a P, you know what I'm saying? A pain in the you know what. So got my LED lights on my tow mirrors, LED lights, my reverse lights are LED, and now my tag lights are LED. So definitely shout out to Boost Auto. So if you want your truck lit up, those bright LEDs, hit up Boost Auto, use my link. They always have a sale. They always have something going on. I know they're supposed to have another sale coming up soon, so make sure you take advantage of that. And this your boy No Chill Chad checking out. Later.